Okay, so hello everyone. Today we're gonna learn the French alphabet. So I hope that you can understand, and I hope that you will find really helpful this video. If you are planning to study another language like French, I will be explaining, as I said before, in English and in French. Okay, let's begin. So the alphabet. So this is like in Spanish, of course. We have A, B, C, D, like Spanish, which is your native language. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Then we have, in English, we say E, but in French, we say E. So, A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E, like that. Then we have like English, F. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Easy peasy. Of course, you will find this part a little bit complicated, a little bit tricky, because in English, the letter, we say G, and then we have J, J. But in English, but in French, we say G. And the other is G. Yeah, of course. J is like G in English. Simple like that. So we say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like Spanish, E, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, G. Like that. So you have to practice. If I were you, I would write like Spanish, English, and another pronunciation like ash. Then we have like English, L, M, N, but look at my mouth. We say In Spanish we say O, but in English, but in French we say nice. In English we say P, but in French we say P, like Spanish, P. Then we have this. Don't confuse, please, because in English we say Q, but in French we say Q, like that. This is one of the most difficult letters here, because it's like R, yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, like English, S, T, U. Of course, we say V. In English, we say V, but you have to put your teeth here, so we say V. Simple. Then we have W. Then we have X. Y. You have to practice this sound. Yes. Y, and Z. Okay, so again, one more time with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so let's gonna practice together. I have here like, how many words do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 words. So let's practice. The first word, you have to spell it, okay? We pronounce in French book, we say livre, okay? I know that my accent is not really like a native, but I'm trying my best. So we say livre. So we say L-I-V-R-E. Simple. Livre. Then we have hôpital. Hôpital is like H-O P-I-T-A-L. Simple, okay? Then we have vrouw. We say renouille, renouille. So renouille is G-R-E-N-O-U-I-L-L-E. Simple, okay? Nice. Then we have pen, and in French we say stylo, stylo. We say S-T-Y-L-E. Nice. Cola, cola. We say K-O-A-L-A. Well, they're the same, I think. But in French, we say wagon, wagon. W-A-G-O-N. Easy. Alexa, we say A-L-E-X-A. Then we have ajouter, ajouter. So we say A-J-O-U-T-E-R. Nice. Then we have this word cognition, 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 which is an English jerkin, so it's like kind of pickle. So we say C-O-R-N-I-C-H-O-N. Nice. And then we have botella. Okay, botella. So B-O-U-T-E-L-L-E. It's a bit same. And last but not least, we have the word what, but in French we say quoi. So Q is not Q, we say Q-U-U-E. So you have this word here. What you have to do is just to practice this part A, B, C, because it's a mix Spanish and English, you know. So that would be all. If you have any question, please send me a message. And bye-bye. See you in our next lesson.